The weirdest thing happened to me the other day.
What the heck is that? Okay, action!
Oh no!
Wait, more emotion. You can't just throw it around.
Hey, that reminds me of something.
Love this dog. Ah, no.
Yes.
Oh, hey, what's up, Cameron?
Zach, you just ruined my movie. Biatch,